Guess what? It's Aha Monday. My name is Ojinga Carr, and I am the CEO of 50 Consulting LLC, and I want to welcome you to another Aha Monday. So thankful to see another Monday. It is June the 15th, so we are all the way through June. We're midway through June, and so we're moving our way through this year, and I'm so thankful that you came and joined us for our Aha Monday. This is our little place of positivity on the internet, because we know that Mondays are difficult. It can be tough to get started, get your week started. We want to get your week started on the right way, on the good foot, as we like to say, being able to do so. What we're doing here, though, is we're building a team. What's the name of our team? It's called Team Crushing It. What are we crushing? We're crushing those obstacles that are in front of our goals. We're crushing those timelines. We're getting there faster than we ever thought that we were going to get there. And we're really crushing life. Just so very thankful for you to be a part of our Aha Mondays and also the responses that we've had back. Last week we talked about the cow life. As far as living in the cow life in the pasture, think you're living good, eating good, everything as far as that. Don't think there's anything more that the world has for you, but there's so much more beyond that fencing. And so we want to make sure that we are not fencing ourselves into too small of a place, or allowing others to fence us in as well too, to be able to do so. So we want to make sure about that. You know, I started thinking about, we've been talking about lessons from animals. And I started thinking about animals when I was at a coaching event. I am a coach. I coach businesses and I also coach individuals. But I have a coach as well too. Because that's the way that it works. In order for you to get better, you have to continue to keep practicing and continue to keep working. And so I was working at one of my mentors' events, Mr. Jamie Swindell. He's one of my mentors that are there. And we were talking about a great book called Rhinoceros Success. Rhinoceros Success. And so it brought me into this animal thought that I was having here. And I want to talk about the rhino. When we think about the rhino and the cow are actually really kind of similar in size and stature, but there's some distinct differences. The cow's skin is very thin, you know, that leather jacket that you have on, as far as that, you know, it's just leather that's there, but there's also a lining that's there as well too. The cow's skin is actually very thin. The rhinoceros's skin is 2 inches thick. It is 2 inches thick. And so the rhino, instead of sitting in a pasture and just eating whatever is there, they go out and they find food. They go out and they search and they find food. And so they go out and they live that charged life and be able to figure out, how do we go to the next spot? How is it we do so? You have that horn that's there. You have that horn that's there with the rhinoceros for it to be able to charge and go get and attack and to preserve itself and those different things that are there. So what I'm thinking about as it relates to this is, how do we fortify ourselves? How do we fortify ourselves in our life so that we can take this journey? How are you preparing yourself on a daily basis to get to that next level? When you get to that level, when you have that opportunity, are you going to be ready for that opportunity? Are you fortified and protected and ready to do so? Or are we just kind of, I don't know what we're going to do. We're just kind of, I'm outside of the pasture. I don't really know how I feel or what it is I'm going to be able to get done. That is what we're talking about with the rhinoceros lights, is to be ready. To be ready to take that step, to be ready to move forward, to be ready to defend yourself, to be ready to go get what is yours, what's rightfully yours. Because it's there, it's promised for you, you can go and get it, but it's about you taking the steps to be able to do so. So I want you to share with me today, how is it that you're going to fortify yourself? How is it that you already are fortifying yourself? Share that with me on my YouTube, on my Facebook, on my Twitter, everywhere as far as that, being able, because we want to be able to know, because you sharing how you're fortifying yourself helps the community fortify itself as well too, because we're building this community here of achievers, of people who are making it and being able to get to that next step and being able to do so. And we're just so very thankful for that. So share that with me. Shoot me an email at ojinga@ojingacarr.com. Come straight to my phone. I answer those emails all the time. I love conversing back and forth with you. Have an excellent week, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.